Alright, so Biker CC here again, and did not too much more work on it lately. Really haven't put much time into it, but I did fix the brake light. So yonder brake light isn't on 24/7, but it works now whenever I pull the brake. Actually, you know what? I hate these goddamn doors. Well, look at that one. I'm not asking you to close and you're closing. What are you doing? Alright. So there, I'm pulling the brake. Now let's use this brake here. So that works now. I kind of greased the connections on the flasher so it works a bit better now. Although it's still giving me shit sometimes, like right now. I think it's because my battery isn't in the... It doesn't really have a good enough charge to start it even with the electric starter, so... Oh, okay, apparently it does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like my timing's off or something. But I did a little bit of a gas tank redneck repair right here. Cut off the pin, I put in magnets instead. So I put a magnet here, I put a magnet here. So now when I close it, it stays closed. Did a little bit of painting, but not much. Got the airbox back together, but still, I still can't really ride it. I think the timing's off, even though I've checked timing and it seemed like it was alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video of me checking the timing so you guys can see when the intervals are. Maybe the guys at Honda Twins Done can help me out a little bit with that. But anyways, I had some neighbors apparently complaining to my dad that there was too much noise coming from my shed in the morning. Oh, she's a beauty. But and also apparently somebody else saw me take a little spill on one of my dirt bikes outside on my driveway. Yeah. He wasn't too happy. But maybe I'll take a couple more spills and be ready to go. Yeah, I think I dropped this one once, and that's because it was wet. I've replaced that clutch lever like maybe 4 times already, just because this stupid piece of shit just falls over, and these stupid things just snap right off. So this one's lasted me a while, thank God. But yeah, anyways, I wish I still had that pit bike. That way I could just bomb around on the street and just drop in front of everybody and see what they say to my dad. For God's sakes, what a bunch of fools. They have to come and talk to my dad. They can't come talk to me. They're too afraid. They're like, oh, well, John Airy, your son, he's been riding his little dirt bikes around, and you know what? I think you should have a little talk with him. So I'm like, it's all good. Doesn't want to come talk to me, so I'm gonna start her up. Have a little good one. There you go. Oh, there you go, big guy. Hey. Oh, she doesn't want to start today. So I get the old kickstart out. Get it to a manual. There you go. Oh, she shoots good today. There you go. Anyways, guys, see you later.